Don't let monsoon plumbing issues ruin your peace. Today, we'll share some simple plumbing tips to help your home stay safe and problem-free during this monsoon season. So let's get started. Clean gutters and drains. Remove leaves and debris to avoid blockages. Check your pipe lays. Watch for damp spots, stains and peeling paints. Inspect water tanks. Keep them covered and check for leaks and cracks. Prevent odors and pests. Clean your draining system with baking soda and vinegar. Follow this page for more plumbing maintenance tips.